Hello, my name's Bruce MacDonald. I'm from the University of Auckland in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. We're doing a international collaboration project to see if robots can help older people. It's a joint project with some researchers at ETRI in South Korea and a company in South Korea, Fusion Robot, who are providing robots and technology, and at the University of Auckland in New Zealand we're integrating those things together and putting software on the robot to do things that might be useful for older people. So the robot's about a bit over 1 metre high, and it moves around on wheels, and it can navigate from one room to another, and it has a touchscreen on the top, and it speaks to people, and we put applications on the robot that help people cognitively. So some of the things the robot does are reminding people to take their pills, monitoring their vital signs, detecting when people might fall, and monitoring the location for some people in a retirement village. What we're doing is we're doing trials in New Zealand with a retirement village partner, the Selwyn Foundation, and so we take our robot there, and the robot interacts with older people and interacts with staff, and we've been assessing the results and analysing the results to see firstly whether people would accept the robots, secondly whether it's feasible for robots to do those kinds of things in a practical environment, and then what we're planning to do in the near future is to do a larger study to show that there are healthcare benefits from what the robot's doing. So our results so far are pretty positive. People seem to be pretty happy interacting with the robot, so most people rate the robot quite highly, and they tell us that they'd like a robot like that to deliver other kinds of internet technology to them and make it easier for them to use it. So we're putting some phone calls and some brain fitness software and some entertainment software on the robot. The staff have been interacting with the robot quite a bit, getting it to take their vital signs readings and watching an iPad software that shows where people are in their building to see what's happening. And so in the long term we need to do more studies, but so far it looks like we can expect to have an improved quality of life for people in older care, that the robots can do some of the very simple things that staff are having to do at the moment, so staff can spend their time doing more complicated and more interesting human healthcare and interaction work. And so we expect there to be benefits for everybody, ranging from older people, staff, organisations and the funders that provide healthcare around the world.